In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash verification problem. If you've just created your GCash account and your verification is still pending or was rejected, don't worry. I'll guide you through the exact path inside the app to get support and understand what's going on so you can move forward with confidence. First, open your GCash account. If you're seeing that your verification is still in process longer than expected, the next thing to do is submit a support ticket through the app. This helps the support team look into your case and lets you see official guidance tailored to verification issues. From your GCash home screen, tap Profile. This takes you to your account tools and settings. Next, tap Help to access the support center. Inside Help, tap Get Help to bring up more options. Then choose Talk to Gigi. Gigi is the in-app assistant that routes your concern to the right place and can open a ticket for you. In the search bar, type Verification Problem. This will show articles and options specific to verification. Select the one that matches your situation. If your status shows pending, tap Pending to see the guidance for accounts still under review. If your status shows Failed Verification, tap Failed Verification to see the steps and notes relevant to a rejected application. On the Failed Verification page, you'll see an important reminder. If your verification was rejected, check the SMS notification sent to your registered mobile number for the reason. That text message usually explains what went wrong, like unclear ID details or mismatched information, so you know what to correct. Make sure your phone has good signal and that notifications are enabled, and check your inbox and spam folders so you don't miss it. If you're still having trouble after reviewing the message, tap the video provided within the help article. That video covers the most common issues and how to resolve them, so you can fix the problem step by step. Watching it inside the app ensures you're following official guidance. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep your account information consistent with your valid ID, ensure your mobile number in the app is the one you currently use, and read every line of the SMS carefully so you address the exact reason given. Submitting your concern through Gigi ensures a ticket is logged, so a specialist can review your case if needed. And remember, never share your one-time codes or passwords with anyone claiming to help. Follow these in-app paths and resources and you'll be on your way to resolving your GCash verification issue.